Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel The Healthier Pakistan. As you know, the consumption of Coca-Cola is higher than any other brand. There are also some advantages of Coca-Cola. The first advantage of Coca-Cola is that it aids in digestion. Scientists have found that when a person have difficulty in food moving, the Coca-Cola gives a benefit. Its high acidity can ease the severe abdominal pain. Isn't it interesting that Coca-Cola helps in digestion? Now the other benefit of Coca-Cola is that it's focus your mind. It contains the very high amount of caffeine. So as far as mental focus is concerned, the Coca-Cola is very beneficial. Number third, the advantage of Coca-Cola is that it increases your energy. The amount of sugar in every sip is so high that it increases the energy level. Now fourth, if you have a condition of nausea, then Coke is the best remedy. Regardless of Coca-Cola benefits, the higher intake of Coca-Cola could be very dangerous. So I sum up the benefits of Coca-Cola. It aids in digestion, it focuses your mind, it increases your energy and stop the nausea condition. So stay healthy and fit and do subscribe my channel The Healthier Pakistan. Thanks.